Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Instagram business profile easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. You will be taken through a brief introduction to Instagram business accounts. Once you finish the introduction, tap Next. Now, choose a category this could be anything from retail to hospitality. After selecting a category, tap Next. You will now be prompted to provide your business contact information. Enter your email address and phone number as needed. If you prefer to keep your contact information private, you can choose not to display it on your profile. Tap Next to continue. You may now connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page if you have one. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can skip this step. After deciding to connect or skip, tap Next. Review your business profile detail. Once you're satisfied with your choices, tap Done. Congratulations! Your Instagram account is now a business profile. You can explore the additional features available for business accounts. Enjoy utilizing your new profile to connect with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.